Hey Techno Studs, and when I say studs, I mean both students and you are awesome. Thanks for watching my videos. In this video, we're going to be covering link aggregation. Link aggregation is when we take multiple links between two switches and we aggregate them together to give us more bandwidth. So what I can do is if I have switches with gigabit connections on them, I can plug in 2, 3, 4 multiple links between those switches, and then that bandwidth gets added together to make one. Essentially, it's a virtual link. So if I have 2 gigabit connections that I am aggregating together, then I'll now have a 2 gigabit connection between those two switches. So let's learn about link aggregation. As you can see by my outline, this module is going to be a little bit shorter. There's not a ton of stuff that we can really go over with link aggregation. It's going to be a little bit simpler of a topic, and so we're going to have some fun with actually getting to play with these configurations and playing on the equipment much quicker. But what I will do is I'm going to start out with the link aggregation and give you a background about link aggregation. And then I'm going to get into some link aggregation protocols, some of the protocols that you'll see out there. I'll do a short demo on link aggregation and what that looks like, and then we will implement link aggregation into the network that we've been working on. So thanks for joining me, and let's get started with link aggregation.